Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video we will be learning how to change video size on Filmora application. Changing the video size in Filmora app involves either adjusting the aspect ratio or cropping the video. So here is how you can do it. First of all, download and install Filmora application on your mobile device and launch it open. Tap on the new project button and import the video clip you want to resize, or select one of the existing projects you'd like to continue working on. After importing your video, you will be taken to the editing screen, from where you'll need to look for an option that says Scale at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the aspect ratio icon to access the aspect ratio setting. You can choose from different settings available. On the bottom menu, choose your desired aspect ratio from the ratio options, and then once you've adjusted your video to fit the selected aspect ratio, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right and finally click on the export button at the top right and select one of the export settings to save your video or to download it onto your device. So that is how you will be able to change your video size on Filmora application using mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.